Hey guys, what's up? It's Keith here again at the channel. We're out in Southend-on-Sea. It's a beautiful Sunday and we just stumbled upon this crazy frosted glass blue Aston Martin DB11. What a cool reg plate it has. Private plate DB11 OUT. This thing, I spotted it from a mile away, walking the dogs up there. We're coming down the hill, and this is usually the spot where we see some of the crazy cars in this country. Yeah, when the weather's good, amazing cars show up here in Southend. And I just want to do a little walk around, a little car spotting for you today, so you have a good idea of what one of these looks like in person. And I have to say, this is the coolest one I've ever seen. I've never seen this frosted glass blue color, but now I have, and it is incredible, guys. Absolutely incredible. The alloys look super sharp. I'm loving all the vents, all the functional ventilation on the bonnet, the hood. Looks great. The lines are so sleek. This is a sexy car. I mean, it's not all about top speed and getting first around the racetrack, especially in a country like this where, I don't know if you see it, but there's average speed cameras on these roads. You can't drive that fast. So if you want something that has a lot of power, but also looks like you're driving a piece of art, this is a really cool car, no doubt about it. Traditionally, you see a lot of similarities between Aston Martins and Jaguars. They've had some of the same designers over the years, and you know, I think the Jag is an awesome car. The F-Type, super sick, but the DB11, man, it's just a whole new ball game with this car. Interior's nice. It's they've always have small back seats in these cars. I don't know why they even bother. In my opinion, if you have back seats, you should have back doors, but you know what they say about opinions. All right, guys. Well, that's it for me today. I just wanted to give you a little up close look of the Aston Martin DB11, so you kind of have a good idea of what they look like in person. Very cool. Oh, and I just noticed too, stitched emblems on the, looks like frosted glass blue emblems on the headrests. Very cool. All right, I am off. If I find anything else that's interesting, I'll shoot a video of it.